How did Northern railroads support the Union war effort? Have you ever wondered how the North managed to keep its military machine running during the American Civil War? One of the key players in this effort was the Northern Railroad system. Let's break down how these railroads made a difference. First, railroads provided a strong logistical network. They allowed for the quick movement of troops, supplies, and equipment. This speed was vital for the Union to respond to Confederate actions. Imagine being able to transport thousands of soldiers across long distances in just a matter of hours. This capability helped the Union maintain a strong presence in various battlefields. Next, railroads were essential for transporting food, ammunition, and other materials needed for war. At first, there were some issues, like railroad executives trying to profit from the war. However, the Union managed to organize its rail network effectively. This organization ensured that supplies reached the front lines when they were needed most, keeping the Union Army strong and ready for battle. The strategic use of railroads also influenced military tactics. Rail lines were used to reinforce positions, chase down retreating forces, and launch surprise attacks. The Union's ability to control and use railroads effectively allowed them to outmaneuver Confederate forces multiple times. Moreover, the North's industrial capacity played a big role in maintaining the rail network. When rail lines were damaged by Confederate raids, the North could quickly repair and expand them. This resilience was key in keeping supply chains and troop movements flowing smoothly throughout the war. The Union government took action by establishing the United States Military Railroad. This organization helped streamline rail operations, ensuring that railroads were used efficiently for military needs. This intervention reduced the chances of profiteering and sped up the delivery of supplies. In contrast, the Confederacy faced many challenges with its rail system. Limited resources and constant raids made it hard for them to maintain their rail network. This difference in rail capabilities was a major factor in the Union's ability to sustain a long and costly war. Now, let's connect this to the Anaconda Plan. This strategy aimed to suffocate the Confederacy by controlling its borders and disrupting its supply lines. Northern railroads were essential in moving troops and supplies necessary to carry out this plan effectively. In summary, Northern railroads were a backbone of the Union war effort. They provided logistical support, facilitated quick transportation of supplies, and influenced military strategy. These factors combined to help the North achieve victory in the American Civil War.